Hello, welcome back. My name is Anita, and I am coming at you today with an unexpected unboxing video. I saw a video by Ginger Peachy Pens, I guess about 2 weeks ago or so. Where are we right now? It's July 9th, 2024. Anyway, she had this gorgeous Esterbrook Estie. I'll insert a picture. It was just so pretty. I was like, wow, that's so pretty. But, not really my thing, but really, really pretty. And I showed my middle daughter, and it's really, really her thing, but she's not into pens. But she was like, that's so pretty. You have to get that pen. And I was like, okay, I don't mind having it, but I didn't have that same passion, but I knew she would love it, and she did. So I knew it was late. I didn't think I'd find it, but I did. And so here it is. And I got it really, really fast. It came all the way from Japan. And I don't know if they all did or not, but mine did. Because I didn't read the Esterbrook email. Shame on me. This is a collab with Bungubox. I don't know if I'm saying that right. This came also, I apologize, it just suddenly got very dark and I had to put on the extra lighting. So let me just take a quick look in here and see what they sent along with the pen. So I haven't looked at it yet. Oh, they recommend inks. Those are pretty. Okay, I've got some tea, I guess. Yes, Japanese green tea. And I've got a business card, so that's cool. Thank you very much. Thank you. This pen is so pretty. I mean, y'all saw the picture. It's so pretty. And yeah, I mean, I'm so thankful. She insisted, Mommy, I'm getting you that pen. I'm like, thanks, honey. Okay. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Okay, so let's get into this real quick. So pretty. Look at this. You know what got me? All these pretty pink flowers. My daughter loves pink. What got me with this pen was the converter. We've got the nib. Oh, the light, man. Let me turn it off real quick so you can just see this. I hope a little better. Oop. There we go. Okay, because it's not dark, but I think maybe you'll be able to see the nib a little better without that extra light shining. And I'll bring it back. Yeah, it looks like it might rain. That's fine. It has been so hot here in Georgia. I mean, it's usually hot anyway, but it started earlier this year. And the converter, so pretty. I do not know the details of this pen, but I will check it out and I will add some information if you're curious. I had signed up to be notified when Esterbrook what's the word I'm looking for? When they restock the pen. It's like, wake up, girl. But I didn't know, like I said, I didn't read the email in a timely fashion. The email came through in May. And I found out about the pen in a video on YouTube, so I'm late. But I don't know, maybe it will be restocked. But I ended up ordering this directly from Bungubox, if I said it right. Anyway, let's do a quick comparison, and we will dip test the pen, because I don't know what I want to put in here. No, I don't know. All right, let's do a quick dip test. Oh no. Actually, comparison first. Here is this collab pen, and what is the name? Kachofugetsu, which also says flower. Kachofugetsu flower. I don't know. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness, it's a beautiful, cannot read that, beautiful pen. Okay, Kachofugetsu, I love it. All right, so here it is. And here it is with a more traditional looking Estie. This is the Lilac. They look lovely together. Here is a Twisby Eco Tea in Saffron. And here is a Jinhao Centennial 100. And one more. A Kaweco Sport. It's a tiny pocket pen. Let's get this out of here. We do not need that. And let's just quickly take a look at these uncapped. My pens all have ink, and I'm going to try not to be messy. There's no telling how that's going to go. So pretty. I'm lining up the grip sections of these pens so you can see how they compare in that way. Look at that. That is just a stunner. So cool. I'm going to put the cap on this because it's a little tricky writing with that unposted. It's so cute. But yeah, look at that. Oh my gosh. Let's just take a moment for Kachofugetsu. It is such a vibe. I love it. Okay, I ended up getting, by the way, a double broad nib. My options when I ordered, which was I ordered last week, my options were extra fine, fine, and double broad. And since I'm not really an extra fine or fine girl like that, I got the double broad. And my thought was I could get it ground down to something else like an architect or a stub or whatever. But I'd rather start out with a bigger nib than a smaller one, because that's how I roll. Okay, now let us move along and dip test this baby. Okay, I use Waterman Inspired Blue to test my pens now. This is a lovely lubricated ink. There's no shimmer. There's a very light red sheen, and it shades nicely. In my pens, I tend to use medium, broad, and stub nibs, and it's so pristine. This is such a pretty pen. I love it. I'm so glad she did this for me. Thank you so much, Camille. Oh my goodness. Okay, here we go. Give this a quick dip. A little bit more. That is a nice juicy nib. Let's just quickly take a look at that next to a broad. Well, I will write with this. This is a broad. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. This is, can I spell? Because this is way too fancy for me. Kacho Fugetsu. Usually it's pretty phonetic. Ooh. my gosh, I love this. And it's nice and bold. Oh, wow. I'm so glad to be fortunate enough to own this. I really didn't think I'd find it at all. I had no hope. I was like, oh, I'll look, who cares? And I found it. Yikes. Okay. And this is Waterman inspired. Oops. Inspired blue. Well, clearly I can't write. This nib is a double broad. And just for comparison's sake, I will show y'all my broad Estie. This is my and this is inked with Pilot. Murasaki Shikibu. Nice. What am I gonna do with this pen? What ink am I going to put in this pen? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Pink is so easy and predictable. I want to do something else, but I don't know what. Oh my gosh. I think I want to ink it now, y'all. Okay, I'm going to go rinse her out and we're going to ink her now because I'm excited. I'm going to add this pen to my lineup. Wee, hold on. Okay, I'm back. I think the sun, the sun is back. No rain fell. So weird. And I decided to ink my new baby up with Anderillium Tolype Moth Warm. And can I tell y'all a quick ink story? I sampled a bunch of inks in tuned and smoothed Twisby Egos at the Atlanta Pen Show. And this was one of the first inks I tried. And it was beautiful. And I'm not like a huge, oh, I must have like all the browns and stuff kind of person. I'm more of like a teal, turquoise, purple, and sometimes pinks and golds kind of girl. But it was really, really pretty. I mean, I loved it. I couldn't stop coming back to it. Ask me why I didn't buy it. I couldn't tell you. I don't know why. I don't know why. I came back with 4 bottles of ink, and this was not one of them. I was like, Anita, what the heck were you thinking? So I ordered a pen from Atlas, and I checked to see if they had the ink in stock, and they did. So crisis averted. I have the ink now. Why is this? I am failing at inking the pen. Okay, one more time. Maybe it's just not inserted enough in the ink. I don't know. It's just, that's better. It's just one of those days today. I'm just a little off. Too many early mornings. And then, I don't know, the day tends to go sideways when you're slightly sleep deprived. Yeah, I think that's what's wrong. Look at this. This is so pretty. I mean, this is what's always here, but because the pen body is transparent, you can see. And it's just, it's like there's art in seeing what's beneath. It's so pretty. I love this. Anyway, okay. I am getting a little rambly here. All right, and the streets are getting a little noisy. I apologize. Okay, let's make sure I got the ink off, so I'm hopefully not making myself a mess. All right, let's try this again. Am I in the frame? I believe I'm in the frame. My wonky heart. And this is my Esterbrook Estie Oops. Bungubox collab. Try and spell it again. Did I write it somewhere? Yes, Katchu Fugetsu. And it's inked with Anderillium. Let's make sure I spell it right. Tolype Moth Warm. I love this color. It is just so beautiful and it shades so beautifully. Oh my goodness. This color is amazing. And I really love it. Don't start a fire, honey. Yeah. Okay, let me just add this to my book. Today is the 9th. So pretty. I love this ink. Okay, this is my Esterbrook Estie. I have to find a shorter way to write this. This pen has a double broad nib and it's inked with Anderillium Tolype Moth Warm. I love it. This is just so pretty. And I've got to add the swatch to my journal, which I will do later. But yeah, here it is. It's just so pretty. Such a great neutral color. And let me see, I think it's dry enough. I'll just move it and make sure. And one last look at this pen. Let me turn the light back on. This day and the sun. It's like, oh, Anita's making a video. Let's just like do everything except, okay, here we are. It's so pretty. And let's see what's on the cat band. It says Bungubox and Esterbrook X Bungubox. There we go. So pretty. If you have a chance, if this is your bag, this kind of super girly, pink and pretty, flowery kind of pen, if this is your thing, you know, run, don't walk before they're gone forever. I don't know if this is like a limited release. How, of course it's limited. I don't know how long it's going to be around, if they're restocking. I sign up for the emails, but I'm horrible at checking my email and I miss a lot. But don't be like me. Check your email. And yeah, this is really pretty. It's so pretty. I love it. Okay, I'm enough gushing. Thank you very much for stopping by to check out my super simple and hopefully still satisfying unboxing video. And I will see you in the next one. Take care.